So what is Fabric? Those of us who've been hearing this Fabric word almost as much as the joyous Copilot constantly, what does it actually mean? What does it actually do? Well, it's a group of things. It's nothing drastically new. It's the way that it's been brought together. Fabric is kind of the low-code version of data, like Power Platform is to being able to do coding. So Fabric's a word that's thrown everywhere, a bit like Copilot is. But what do those parts make up? So Data Factory, we've had for ages. It's had a pretty new look and feel. And from a Power Platform point of view, there are a lot more easy ways to integrate with it. We've now got Synapse broken up into parts. So we used to have Azure Synapse as we knew it with lots of bits I could use, but now it's got into distinct areas. We have the data engineering area, which those of you who are data fans will absolutely love. It's got such cool tools. We've got the data science. This is where our data bricks and more of our deep machine learning analytics can go on. We've got the data warehousing, real-time analytics, which is spectacular when it works. It's mostly there. Power BI, which has been our friend ever since reporting services sort of ground to a halt, and the cool new data activator.